Hi girls, welcome to our channel. Parrot, very beautiful. Then, wow, unicorn, very beautiful color. Then, wow, spider, amazing. Then, wow, hippopotamus, so good. Wow, honeybee, very beautiful. Tiger, very nice. Wow, whale, so good. Angelfish, very beautiful color, amazing. Zebra, so good. Grasshopper, very nice. Giraffe, very nice. Cockroach, Stegosaurus, very nice, very beautiful color. Then muskox, very nice. Triceratops, very nice. Then, wow, snake, amazing. Elk, very nice. Fish, wow, beautiful color. Tiger. Then, owl, very nice. Dinosaur, very nice. Then, wow, spider, so good. Stag beetle, very nice. Gorilla, amazing. Big size ant, so good. Tiger, very nice. Rhinoceros, very small rhinoceros, amazing. Fish, very beautiful. Hippopotamus, very small hippo. Snake, very nice.